Let's make some rum hot chocolate. To make this rum hot chocolate recipe, we are going to start with the rum. I'm using 1.5 ounces of my rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And I'm going to put it in a tempered glass. You can use a mug if you prefer. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of creme de cacao. I have tried other liqueurs in here as well. I particularly like cherry liqueurs, like a Hearing. Today we're using creme de cacao, 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. And we're using this because it's my wife's favorite. Now I'm going to go heat up my hot chocolate. I'll be right back with you. And here we have some homemade hot chocolate. I do have a recipe for this on the channel. Link will be down below in the video if you want to try it for yourself. Otherwise, if you just have some cocoa powder and want to mix that with water, go for it. It's not the best, this is better, but do what you like. And I'm just going to top off my glass with this. Set this aside. Garnish. Some people like marshmallows, some people like Ready Whip. I prefer neither usually, but we're using Ready Whip because it takes nicer pictures. Do I have to shake? I think I shake. Make it as pretty as you'd like. I can't make it very pretty. And finally, I'm going to grate a little bit of chocolate on top. Oh, that broke. It broke again. And there you have it. Rum hot chocolate. Drink with good spirits.